Hi everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to speak about my career development as well as hardships which I came across. This video can help you more to overcome your fear towards your success. There are some people, they often have fear towards their goal because they might not have planned to reach it, or they haven't decided it. There are few people, they are really strong enough to determine and they are able to achieve their goals. Today I'm going to focus on interesting topic. This topic is going to change your life too. Even I too started this YouTube channel in the year 2017. I uploaded videos without any awareness. I didn't learn how to upload videos. I forgot to attach a thumbnail. Then, I didn't follow any procedures. 1 year, hardly I crossed 1 year, I was unable to reach people. So I was totally fed up with YouTube. So I stopped uploading videos on YouTube. And after 2 years, after 3 years, I started uploading videos by getting several awareness from different people all around the world. Here I would like to point out, learning is a process. We need to learn everything daily. We need to learn many things from many books. We need to learn from headlines. We need to learn from subtitles. Each and every sentence, if it is good, you need to carry it. You need to use those words. It is going to uplift you somewhere else, but we don't know to use it properly. And the secret towards success, it's really difficult to determine your goal. When will you reach your goal? At what time I will be able to reach my goal? These can be the questions in your mind today. I'm going to clear those doubts very quickly. So you're going to listen to this open talk. It is going to help you more and more to overcome the fear towards your goal. This video is going to change you totally. Please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, brothers and sisters. And if you are viewing this video for the first time, just subscribe to my channel and share this thoughts with others. And you know that after 5 years, I started uploading the videos again. Then I didn't get any views, new viewers, even I didn't get any subscribers. I uploaded more than 600 videos. I was thinking, wouldn't be, riskful uploading videos constantly in future. So why don't I stop doing this? So I was thinking very negatively at a certain point of time. Then I started, listening to some motivational videos, and I started doing constantly, and I thought to help people. So I just introduced something on Reels, like if you're going to subscribe to my channel, I'm going to issue you the book for free of cost. But I sold that book for 500, and it's really worthful, and people started purchasing it, and they have started encouraging me. The story which you have mentioned on the book, it's really inspiring me. So everyone has started sharing their beautiful feedback after reading the book and practicing it. So what I'm trying to say, never give up anything in your life. See, if you are going to give up at the last moment, you'll be the loser. So even I determined to lose something at the last moment. So when I started realizing it, I just, I didn't give up anything. I started, fighting towards the success. When I started fighting towards the success, I won, and I just defeated the failure in my life and my career too. What I'm trying to say, you must be the person should defeat your enemies constantly. Maybe your distress, maybe the thoughts, maybe overthinking, attitude. You should overcome. You should overcome to uplift your life to the next level. Your journey begins only with the toughest task in the world. When you start, upholding, or when you start knowing the ways to defeat, you will be the successful person. So I started knowing the ways, different ways to defeat everything. So I found the right path. I was working on the things constantly with different perception. So when I started doing something unique, everyone started coming behind the unique idea which I determined to go with. And I started uploading some videos on Facebook Reels. Everyone started agreeing with the words which were not used by anywhere else. Everyone started telling, where did you choose the words and how did you find out those words? Even, I don't have the habit of copying anything on YouTube. Somehow little bit here and there, truthfully I can say you. Here and there I'm able to just listen to their videos and get some ideas, grab some ideas from them. And I usually just bring my original ideas whenever I want to contribute something to the society. It should be new always. We should always practice something new in our life. We never go with the old version. Sometimes that people, they don't like to wear the old models. Even if you go to the shop, you purchase new arrivals. Am I right or wrong? So in such ways, you have to determine your ideas. And I was a good translator once upon a time, but here nowadays I don't get time to translate anything. So even now I want to pursue the same thing which I followed before 5 years. Friends, I want to say one thing strongly. When you believe yourself, you can challenge anything in the world and you can make the things too possible. Nothing is impossible in this world. When you start trying it, everything is possible. So that's why I've given the name Possible English. Nowadays, people started gathering towards new words, learning new vocabularies, and trying to record their videos every day under my training programs. And I have been focusing many people around the world. So this is the video I'm just opening my thoughts very outwardly, and you'll be able to grab it. You need to train your mind accordingly. Try to use simple words to speak English. English is not the toughest language. It is the easiest language. You can easily adapt yourself to the different environments. You must focus the people around you. Nowadays, you don't have any people, right? So even that if I didn't speak English for few days, even I may also forget. What I'm going to speak further cannot be explained. So once your practice is constantly working on something, you have to do it constantly. When you stop doing that, when you don't practice something constantly, you will miss your chance to, score your mark. So what I'm trying to say, you need to practice every day. Practice makes you perfect. So this is the old proverb which has been trending still now, because practice is a powerful word. When you start practicing, you can challenge yourself that you will also speak like anyone else in the world. Even you can also speak like native speakers. But don't try to speak like native speakers. Try to speak as you want to speak. Even I'm speaking as I'm interested to speak in the way I like to do so. So this is the intention you must go with. So I hope this video can help you more. And after, uploading videos and encouraging people, constant hard work, determine my achievement on YouTube. Successfully, I got Google Ads free. It's totally free. And it's really, it is not going to help me anymore because they are not going to pay too much. Anyhow, you have reached your goal, right? So the hard work never fails. So you must have this in your mind always. If you are going to work hard, your success is near. I hope this video is going to be more and more helpful for many people all around the world. Please share this video with your friends and try to understand. Never give up anything in your life immediately. Thank you so much once again, and please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And I have started a new channel and I have attached the link below in the description box. Please click the link and subscribe to the another channel where I am sharing only stories, English stories. So please watch those imaginative characters and those characters and the stories which I have seen them in real life, They have been made as imaginary characters in the story, and in order to hide the names of the characters. So this is exclusively free. Subscribe and you can encourage others, and I will also support you. You can also support others. It's like a chain. When you start supporting others, the support can be automatically reversed towards you. Bye, take care, God bless you. I will come with another interesting topic next time. So it is going to be, it is going to boost you so much. All the best.